Baked Greek lemon chicken and potatoes is one of my favorite dishes, and this version takes it up a notch by serving it over some whipped feta. Now let's get into it. I'm using Yukon Gold potatoes. This is the perfect potato because it's between waxy and starchy, so I would stick to Yukon Gold and avoid red waxy potatoes. I peeled my potatoes, but totally optional, and I'm cutting them into large chunks so they cook evenly. I know Greek lemon potatoes are normally cut in wedges, but I want to make sure that the potatoes are done at the same time as the chicken. For the lemon sauce, I've got half a cup of low sodium chicken broth, 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a tablespoon of lemon zest. I love the freshness that this adds. 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, very important to make sure it's fresh. Half a teaspoon of salt, and I've got Frank the garlic crusher here, and I'm adding in about 3 crushed garlic cloves. Give the sauce a good mix, and you're going to top your potatoes with half the sauce and save the other half. For the chicken marinade, I've got a little salt, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, Greek oregano, crushed garlic, and Dijon mustard. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs, but you can use skinless or drumsticks, up to you. And I'm rubbing the marinade on the chicken and making sure to get under the skin as well to get all that flavor in there. I decided to add a little more oregano to my potatoes, about half a teaspoon, but totally optional. You'll place the chicken thighs directly on top of the potatoes, and once that's done, top it off with the remainder of the lemon sauce. And this will bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, and then I broiled it for about 5 minutes. For the whipped feta, you're gonna blend 8 ounces of feta cheese, 3/4 cups of lemony or Greek yogurt, dill, onion powder, salt and pepper, and a roasted garlic clove, and blend until smooth and nice and creamy. The chicken is done, so just make sure to check that the internal temperature is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit for chicken thighs, and check that your potatoes are nice and tender. I like to top mine with fresh lemon wedges and freshly cut parsley. To plate it, start off with some whipped feta, about 2 dollops, and spread it evenly across the plate. And I like to top that with some Aleppo pepper, but totally optional. Add a piece of our delicious chicken, and of course, some of the lemony potatoes. And I'm a sauce gal, so extra sauce for me, please. And look at that. Serve it with some veggies and definitely some toasted bread to soak up that sauce and that delicious whipped feta. This is my favorite thing, and you're gonna love it. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. I'm gonna dig into the potato with some feta. That is delicious. Wow. Let's get some of this chicken. Wow. That feta with the lemon, the potatoes are tender. It's so delicious. You're gonna love it. Let me know how you like it in the comments.